Hi all, myself Buddha Harikumar, working as assistant professor in EC department, Welfare Institute of Science and Technology Management. So, as per IJSR request, e-presentation request, so my paper was published in IJSR in 2012. So they are asking some request, e-presentation request. So that's why I'm giving this presentation about my paper. Uh, I will give small brief introduction about my paper, and I'll coming on to that. So my paper title is segmentation of touching characteristics in Indian scripts. So segmentation of touching characteristics in Indian scripts. So it is basically worked on optical character recognition OCR system. So first of all, I will give you brief discussion about what is OCR and so how it is works and how what is the need of the segmentation and so how this segmentation is helpful to recognize any script each and everything. I will give brief discussion and moving on to my abstract. And so India is a multi-regional country. So in this country, so there are around 18 languages. 18 languages, speaking languages, and also around 23 languages are written languages. So uh, that's why India is called as multi-languageal country. So the major problem here occurred. So which type of script that is identification is very difficult to very difficult. So um, here, my paper segmentation is useful to identify uh, identify in script identification. So that's why the segmentation is very helpful for to identify which level of script and what is that script. So how to identify that script. So it may be helpful for this paper. And so moving on to next slide, here I was given to that my course content. So my paper contents are introduction, segmentation, and general block diagram of OCR as well as steps involved in that OCR processing, how the segmentation processing was done, and advantages of segmentation as well as applications of OCR system. So those are nothing but contents. And so moving on to that introduction. So India. So as I told you that India is a multi-languageal country. So here 18 regional languages and 12 different scripts. So in that segment in that script identification and language identification is very difficult task. So that's why here the segmentation is helpful to recognize which level of script each and everything. uh, and moving on to that next slide. And segmentation. So what is segmentation? So how it is useful? So segmentation is nothing but a segment the parts of digital image. So whatever that digital image, it can be segmented by part. So why it is segmented? So what is the need to segment it? So have you discussed this? So this is the basic block diagram of OCR and so OCR processing. So first of all, uh, take any type of any language image, so any language document, whatever it may be, it can be scanned with help of scanner. So this is the scanner which is useful to scan the document. And so the scanned document can be move on to document image analysis. Here, this is the first step in OCR processing. So in the document images analysis, if the scanned images having any skew corrections, plant corrections, like that, so it may be removed with help of document image analysis. And that here the scanner applying applicable by light scanner. And the document is converted in the form of JPG or JPG image and or else PNG image. So it can it if it is having any skew corrections, plant corrections can be removed with help of document image analysis. Then afterwards, pre-processing was start. In that pre-processing, if is there any noise, any blur, so those can be removed with help of this pre-processing technique. So with help of this pre-processing, if is there any noise occurred that image, that can be removed with help of this pre-processing techniques. So in that edge detection and skew correction switch and everything was removed by with help of this pre-processing. And in that next very important step and a very crucial step, that is nothing but segmentation step. So in that segmentation, there are mainly segmented whatever the image having. So with help of scanned image, so the JPG image was moved on here, and the JPG image is having any skew correction, it can be removed with help of document image analysis. And so then afterwards, the in that pre-processing, if is there any noise, so it can be removed with help of this pre-processing technique. And moving on to that segmentation, whatever that image, it can be segmented part by part. So how the segmentation, why the segmentation needed here in OCR processing. So the segmentation is very crucial step to recognize which character and which word that, and so which language that. So it is very useful to identification purpose. Segmentation is very much useful to identification purpose. uh, in that so like not only a script identification, face recognition and thumb recognition and nameplate recognition. So those recognition purpose, the segmentation is very important and crucial step. uh, and moving on to the next slide. And so, what is the basic processing? So, first of all, pre-processing, then afterwards segmentation, then afterwards recommendation, recognitions. Those are nothing but basic processing, basic steps involved into that OCR. And so, in that pre-processing, as we told that, so if is there any blur, edge detection, so those can be removed. If is there any noise, those can be removed with help of this pre-processing techniques. And segmentation, it is nothing but it can be segmented into that separate divided into either line wise, either words wise, either character wise. So it can be segmented part by part. And recognition is a very crucial step to recognize uh, which one of the document. Suppose so in that segmentation, uh, in that segmentation, so it can be segmented images. So it whatever that segmented images, so it can be recognized with help of that recognition system. Okay, and so moving on to the next slide. And segmentation processing. So here mainly segmentation processing in three types of those are nothing but line wise segmentation, word wise segmentation, and character wise segmentation. And so line wise segmentation is nothing but total image. So whatever the total image, so that can be converted in the form of different pixels. So image is nothing but one of the matrix and pixels. So in that total matrix, it is in the form of ones and zeros, And so first of all, line-based segmentation coming on, the image can be segmented by line. So here the black pixels take it as a 1 and white pixels is take it as a 0. So whatever the color image, it can be converted into the grayscale image, and then afterwards the segmentation processing was started. Here the segmentation processing, the black pixels, white pixels, it can be represented with help of zeros and ones. So now the segmentation processing coming on to the top level edge. So first of all, when the black pixels was occurred, so it may be stopped and started the segmentation. Then afterward, when the black pixel end of the section, it can be stopped. So the particular part, it can be segmented by the line. So line by line segmentation. And so line by line segmentation, I tell you clearly, line by line segmentation. So here, this is nothing but my input image. So here I am take it as an input image. this is my input image, and so I was with help of MATLAB code, and it can be segmented line by line. So here the white pixel is take it as a ones, and the black pixel is take it as a so the black pixels is take it as a 1, and white pixel is take it as a 0. Whenever the black pixels was recognized, uh, it can be start segmentation part. So when the black pixel part was end of this section, and so it is the end of the section of the segmentation. So then afterwards, the middle part is nothing but again white pixels. So here the middle part is nothing but again white pixels, and so again it takes gap. So like that way, line by line segmentation. So this is nothing but line segmentation processing, and so line segmentation processing is nothing but line by line. So whatever the document having, that can be segmented with help of line by line segmentation. Here horizontal protection, horizontal projection will be occurred with help of this line segmentation processing. And moving on to that word segmentation. So here word segmentation, whatever the line segmentation occurred, so those line segmentation is taken as the input image of the word segmentation. So suppose here those are nothing but my outputs in line segmentation. So in that line segmentation, first output, take it as the input of the word segmentation. So this is nothing but my input of the word segmentation. So in that word segmentation, vertical projection will be applied. So vertical projection, what is vertical projection? Vertical projection, which means that, so like whatever that I told you, that the image can be converted in the form of zeros and ones, and that zeros and ones, so the white pixels is take it as a zeros, and black pixels is take it as a one. So whenever the black pixel was reached, it can be start segmentation. So it can be segmented. Like suppose I was take it as a input image of this. So when that it segmented this part, then afterwards it segmented next word, and it segmented next word like that. So it's segmented one by one. And the character segmentation. So character segmentation is nothing but when the word segmentation, whatever that words output, it is input of the character segmentation. So character segmentation is a very, very crucial and important task for the recognition. It is the very, very important. So character segmentation, so whatever that output of the word segmentation is the input of the character segmentation. So here it is take it as total total image, so total pixel is converted in the form of black, and so is there any black pixels in that part, it can be converted in the form of white. So then it is easily identify and segmented character by character. So here this is my input image of the word, and it can be converted in the character segmentation, uh, character by character segmentation. So I was applied around 1,000 document images. So in this processing, in that I take it as a big type of text and small type of text. So how that so how the segmentation was occurred. So suppose I was take it as a big type of text, it may be in line segmentation. So the overall accuracy is 70%, word segmentation overall accuracy is 80%, and character segmentation overall accuracy is 90%. And so if suppose small text images I was taken as input, and line segmentation is 60%, and word segmentation around 70%, and character segmentation is around 80%. And so moving on to, so why the segmentation is needed, and so what is the need of the segmentation, the advantage of this segmentation. It can be first thing to identify anything. So the segmentation plays very crucial and important role, and so in that it is very flexible and sharing purpose it is used. And so And so the average segmentation size is greater than average page size, and reduce the cost and time workload each and everything, and to reduce the memory size. So that's why the segmentation is useful. And so moving on to that OCR system, so where the OCR is useful and applications of the OCR. So OCR is very useful for the banking sectors as well as legal applications and industries, and so it is very useful. So the OCR processing is nothing but the scanned image is converted in the form of editable text. So if the scanned image is in the form of JPG, it can be in the form of editable text. Means that so human may write anything on that image. So if the image can be converted in the form of editable text, so here the segmentation plays very crucial task. Without segmentation, it cannot be easy. So if the human do not need to retype any document again, so if you have any document that can be scanned, and it is with help of this OCR system, it is automatically converted in the form of editable text. So editable text, which means that so no need to retype whatever the document having, whatever the image having the text. So this is the main benefit of this OCR processing. So even though save spaces and edit text, anything uh, in this OCR system is useful. And so many recognition system nowadays, so the human recognition system, and so thumb identifications, and a nameplate recognition system. So here the OCR plays very crucial role and important role. And so in that OCR, the segmentation is very much important, and very crucial role in that segmentation. And so thank you IJSCR for giving this good opportunity. And so thank you for giving this.